Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Microsoft Word tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to create professional letterhead in Microsoft Word without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your MS Word. And the next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on File. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you click on New. And the next thing you want to do right here is to simply scroll down right here, come to the search for online templates right here, and then go ahead and type in letter and hit enter. Just like so, you have different templates right here. However, before you can have access to some of different templates right here, you need to make sure that you connect to it. So here, from the template right here, you can pick on any of the templates of your choice. These are ready templates that you can use for your brand. The more you scroll down, the more you see all available templates right here. So, there are a lot of templates in right here. So the more you scroll down, the more you see. So let's say, for instance, you want to choose a particular template right here. Click on the template, and it's going to open up. So then go ahead and click on Create. Boom, and you have it open up right here. So you can work on this particular template right here. That you can click on any of the shape right here, and then you can click on any of the shape right here. So this text right here, you can change the text to company name, company name, yeah, just like so. Then you can change to website right here. Okay, then you can move to the options right here. So here you have token and this sort of things right here. You can change some of the information right here to name, then position right here, your post, just like so. And then you can scroll down right here and change the email address, the website to your own, the address, the phone number to your own right here. Then you can also go ahead and highlight all the text right here and then press delete to delete them all. And then you have it right here. So delete this also, and then you have the letterhead right here. And then you can come down below right here. You can edit the email address, edit the website, edit the full address, and edit the phone number as the case may be. And you have a very clean uh, letterhead right here. So if you want to draft any letter, just come in right here and first make your letter, your customers, and then you can start typing whatever you want to type as far as this particular letter is concerned. It's that simple. So you can work on the shape right here, click on the shape and come to the shape format right here. So here you can easily do sort of things. You can change the color from here to another color of your choice, or you can choose your branding color right here. You can see the color has been changed right here. You can select on this particular one here also. You can change the color to another thing. Everything depends on what exactly you do, just like so. And then you can also change the logo right here. So you can easily click on the logo right here, click on the logo icon and press the list key. Then from here, you can easily import your personal logo. So for that, go ahead and click on insert, go to image, then go ahead and click on insert from this device. And go ahead and select your logo where you have it. So I'm going to insert my logo right here. I'm going to use this logo and hit on insert. Once I insert, then we want to make sure that we adjust the image, and then we want to simply drag in to size the logo as the case may be, so that it fits in the proper way right here, just like so. Then we we want to make sure we drag this image. So for us to drag the image to a proper position, we want to make sure we right click on the image, then we go to wrap, and then we want to make sure we click on in front of text right here. Then we just have to drag the logo right here and position it in where we want to position it, just like so. It's that simple. Now you have your professional letterhead right here that you can use to send mail or send messages to customer as the case may be. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use Microsoft Word like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.